You've been involved in a significant car accident, and now you get in touch with the Careless Drivers Insurance Company, and they want to go ahead and settle the case with you, but before they do that, they want you to sign a document called a release. Should you ever sign a release before speaking to an attorney? You want to learn the answer? Come join me as I share with you this great information. Hi, I'm Jerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury trial lawyer practicing law here in the state of New York. So now, after your accident, you get in touch with the Careless Drivers Insurance Company. And now you have ongoing discussions and they finally decide to make you an offer. And you think it's a reasonable offer. But before they go ahead and send you the check, they send you a document called a general release. And they say, you must sign this. And you're reading this document and it has such horrible language in there, which basically says you can never come back and bring a lawsuit against their client. Now, do you go ahead and sign that immediately and have them send you the check? And that's the end of your case? Or, instead, would it be better for you to have that reviewed by an attorney who handles these types of cases on a daily basis? There's a very good likelihood that the insurance company is not going to be giving you full value for what your injury is truly worth. And why is that? Because they know you don't have experience valuing this type of injury. They know that you don't have experience negotiating with the insurance company. So unless you are totally confident and have years and years of experience doing this, you may be at a significant disadvantage to sign that release in expectation of getting that settlement check right away. On the other hand, an attorney who handles these types of cases every day is going to know exactly what your injuries are. They're going to know what the insurance coverage is. They're going to have an ongoing discussion with the insurance company. And now they'll be able to document and support all of the problems you're having, as well as documenting all the problems you'll likely have into the future. Because really, how do you know what your problems are going to be into the future? Have you spoken with medical experts? Have you spoken with your treating doctor extensively about what problems you can be expected to have in the future? And if you do have problems or need further surgery or need therapy or rehabilitation in the future, who's going to pay for it? Do you realize that by signing that general release, you end your ability and you cut off all of your rights to go after and sue the person who was responsible for causing this accident? That's what happens when you sign a general release without speaking to an attorney. You basically are giving up all of your rights to pursue any legal rights that you have against the careless person who caused your accident. So why do I share this quick information with you? I share it with you just to give you an insight and an understanding into what goes on after an accident occurs, and now you're reaching out to the defense insurance company to try and negotiate your case without getting an attorney involved. You know, I realize you're watching this because you probably have questions or concerns about your own particular matter. Well, if your matter happened here in New York and you do have legal questions, what I encourage you to do is pick up the phone and call me. I can answer your legal questions. You know, this is something I do every single day and I'd love to talk to you. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Jerry, G-E-R-R-Y, @oginski-law.com. That's it for today's quick video. I'm Jerry Oginski. Have a great day.